Hey guys, welcome back to my Cat and Staff Shuffle series, and on this week's tutorial we are going to be looking at the reverse T-step. So before we get started, I just want to remind you guys to hit that subscribe button, as it does help to support my channel. So to do the reverse T-step, you need to already know how to pivot on your pivot leg. So toe, heel, toe, heel, heel, toe, heel, toe. You have to already be comfortable with that movement in order to get the reverse T. So if you don't know how to do that, I do have a T-step tutorial that'll show you how to do the pivoting. Now, once you know how to pivot, you're going to keep that foot planted, and then you're going to be dropping the toe of the opposite leg. So my right leg is going to be doing the T-steps, my left is going to be doing the pivoting. Now, as I drop my toe, notice how I pivot out. And then as I'm bringing it up, that's when I'm going to go on my heel. And then I'm going to drop it and go on my toe. Pivot, heel, toe, so that you are going towards the leg, like you're going to the left because that's the leg that's pivoting. But with your regular T-step, you're actually going to go towards the leg that is doing the T-step instead of pivoting. So that's why this is a reverse T-step. Now, once you get comfortable with the pivoting movement, and you also understand when to drop your toe of the T-stepping leg, then you can start doing it a little bit faster, and you can even add in some arm movements to it to give it a little more style. So what I generally like doing is always giving like this. It's almost like I'm kind of slicing the air, right? Because if you just kind of leave your arms sloppy and T-step, it's not going to look as good. So once you get comfortable with everything and you can put it all together, it could look something like this. One, two, three, four. Boom, 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 boom. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that is how to do a reverse T-step. It's a fairly simple move once you know how to T-step properly, and you just reverse it. So that is all for this week's tutorial on the reverse T-step. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe. If you enjoyed the video and found it helpful, if there's a specific move or tutorial that you want to see, let me know in the comments below. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!